Hi, my name's Ron. I'm at 918-924-5252. This is an 11,000 mile 4x4 with a Tommy lift, a 2015 F350. And it is a beauty. GSA vehicle. We just got it. And I mean, if I told you it was new, you'd have to believe me. It's just absolutely beautiful in and out. Tires are deep, really deep. It looks like they hold feathers in it, and the guy weighed 30 pounds that drove it. This is crazy. It's such a beautiful truck. These GSA vehicles, we try to get the low miles, lightly used ones, and this one maybe is one of the best. Has wind-up windows, has cruise control. Looks like it has cruise control. I think that's what that is. I don't know. Don't hold me to it. Look at the seats. It's crazy. It's just such a beautiful truck. Stake bed with a lift. Tommy lift, the best ones. Clean underneath, like you can't believe. I'll have a bunch of pictures on this if you need them. It's on Marketplace and Craigslist and YouTube, and I'll put it in a few other places. I don't expect this one to be around long, so. I wish we had 100 of these to sell, because this is a very beautiful truck. Everybody wants the 4x4 in these. Again, my name is Ron. I'm at 918-924-5252. Thanks. In the Tulsa area.